in case you guys can see, I'm going to go through this maze, y'all. I'll use the flashlight to light it up a little bit. I'm going to go through it. Wow.
Oh.
Whoa. It's called the fireplace.
Where's the fireplace?
Right there.
Okay, should we go outside? Oh wow, there's a fireplace.
Outside. I found a doorway. Oh, that leads out. Don't want to go through there.
What is it? What is it?
The doorway? Oh, here. I'll let the camera see. Here. This is the outside. Have to. What?
What is it? What is it? Here, I'll hand you the camera.
It's a dead end.
Is it?
It's a dead end.
There's no way out?
No, there is this way out.
Oh.
Ooh. This.
Oh, so there was a way in we didn't even know about.
Ooh. Do you want to do it again to fill it out after we finish this?
Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to crawl back out too. Or how do you want to end the video? You want to end it watching Dad crawl through here? I'm pretty big compared to the maze. That's what I have to do.
We're called Mom. How was the maze? Good. Good.
You want to do a flyover with the lights on, Donovan?
That flyover? Sure. Unfortunately, there was a way we forgot to do in the maze, so we're gonna do it all again. Thank you very much, Dad. We flip it over here.
Okay, you wait here. You can start.
Well, the camera didn't catch that. So what was the place we missed?
Are the numbers going? Is the camera going?
Yeah, it's going. Well, here's the place we missed. Here it is. We just went a straight line through. Here, I'll show you the fireplace. There's a whole bunch of locks in here. Oh, and there's our cat. Very inappropriate. And here is the way. It's like right here. And there's the way out.
Is it connected to anything?
What? No.
If you go left, is
Oh,
there
yeah.
another one?
There's another hole. There's two. Okay, so there's two places we missed, guys.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Spice Girl, you're gonna have to move, please. This area. There's a secret door. And oh, dude, I can see you.
Can you?
Hi.
Can the camera see me?
Okay.
You want to take the camera in the... Have you been in the fireplace yet?
The fireplace?
There's a camera?
Oh yeah, I gotta do that. I found
All the summer rocks are still out.
Oh, there's summer rocks. And it's no longer summer.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll do our fall jars maybe.
And here is the fake chimney up here. And that is, what is this? Oh, a fire stopper.
Oh, the candle snuffer?
Yeah, it fell. Yeah, you put it on the candle to stop the air so it can't get it, and then it stops the fire.
Oh, could you show on that candle there?
What? Oh, this candle, the rainbow candle. My
So where
dad
does it
got
go?
it for my birthday. What?
So how does the snuffer do? Does it go on top?
Yeah, it goes on top. And if you look, there's a hole there, and that's where the fire goes. It stops it. Okay. Okay, here's the... Wait, is this the place we missed?
Is that a new place? Have you been in there? I haven't been in there.
Oh,
I've been in this one over here. Yeah, I've been in this one over here.
Hi. And you haven't been in this one. Oh, and then there's a door here.
Did the camera see it? Oh, you can just escape that way.
Escape! You can use the short one because I know this is really hard for you to getting out. So
Does it look like it's really hard for me to be in this maze? Does the camera think it's really hard for me to be in this maze?
Let's see, guys. Do you think it is? Leave a comment down below.
Yeah, in the comment.
Okay, those are the areas. He still is struggling.
Struggle bus. Okay, I should have worn long sleeves.
There you
My arms
go.
are kind of cardboard burn.
Okay. Okay, that's the end of the video for tonight. Goodbye.